man. Just enjoy the moment.
All right, you on video, cuz. You feel like a decent fish?
Look like one. Get the net. Get the net, man. Get the net.
Get the net. We're out here on the angler Qwest today on Lake Murray, striper tournament. Steve's got hooked up on one. Don't know if he's a good one or not, but we're gonna see here in just a minute. Just let us get a look at him before he comes off.
You got the board, son.
What I need to do to help you?
Just cross your fingers and pray.
Oh.
You get tired, I hate you.
We're hoping he's gonna be an upgrade.
Yeah, he's coming right the way we want him.
He's driving him.
Yeah.
Boys, angler Qwest kept us dry this morning. It was raining. We got the wrap on it. We got the boards out. I need to
got the board, son.
Let's see. You're gonna be all right on that, and I'm gonna bring this one in. Go under me, Jim. He's right behind the boat. Oh, good.
Was that?
Yeah, he hit that one right there. That's that big shad too.
You keep filming, I get it.
Raise that one up. Come on here, Steve, back here. Walk to there you go. Come on, right if you need to.
How you look, Jimmy?
I don't believe it's gonna be no upgrade. He might.
The board might be good.